Welcome to Sarah Mo's knitting journey. Here's a knitting tip for you. So focus this time is on the purl stitch. And for the purl stitch, we are going to go in the opposite direction. So again, wrap the yarn around your little finger. And what you're going to do is bring that needle upwards into that stitch, bring your yarn around and pull through. Again, in, put your yarn around and pull through. Let's do that again. So again, pull that, stitch a little, bring your yarn over and pull through. And can continue that for the rest of the row. So now that you've knit the purl row, to form the stockinette stitch, we will knit this row and purl back, knit, purl, and that forms the stockinette stitch. The garter stitch had all rows knit. Now we're going to do knit and purl. So just continue to knit on that, and that will form your stockinette stitch. So if you like my video, please subscribe and ring the bell. You can also find me on other social media platforms. So please subscribe for more of Sarah Mo's knitting tips and pattern tutorials.